Hey guys, so I got a new fridge. Pretty cool, huh? It has a water and ice maker, a touch screen, and you could access all the things you want to access on it. Like, for example, say you want to visit my channel. Just type in youtube.com and then type in Nintendo and then click on my channel. Happy Halloween. Also, and finally, just watch any of my videos. It's a real blast. Anyways, that's all, and I hope you can like and subscribe.